Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you are up to date with all my episodes, then you know what we're doing. We have a batch of fasteners that we need to sandblast, zinc treat, and do a yellow passivization treatment on. So mechanical, electrical, and then chemical. Let's start with having a look at the results from yesterday. And here they are. I left them in the yellow passivization bath for some time, and I think it came out rather nice. The heat treatment does dull the surface a bit, but I'm fine with that. So now we just need to do the same with all of these, and I'm thinking that I will start with the screws, and while those are in the zinc bath I will finish sandblasting all of these and also the ones underneath here. Here we have the screws ready for the zinc treatment. So screws hanging in a copper wire connected to this threaded rod, which is connected to the negative side on the power supply, and then we have the positive going to the zinc ball down in the corner, and I'm moving that one around as the time goes by just to try and even out the zinc coverage on the screws. So I will pour in the fluid and turn on the power supply. So the process is ongoing. We have 1 volt and 1.44 amps, and you can't really see much yet. So we will get started on the other stuff in the meantime. So they are getting more and more zinc, but they are not really finished yet. And I've finished all the parts that I've shown you before, but we have this, the power steering pump bracket. We have some rust left, so why not finish this, sandblast it, and at least primer it. So it's sandblasted, and I will wipe it off with some thinner and then a coat of zinc primer. So here it is, primered and drying. I believe the screws are ready to be yellow passivated, so I will prepare the next bath for them. So here we go. Just starting the clock. So we will move this back and forth. So starting to turn yellow or goldy. I will continue this for a while. So here we have them drying just like the other ones, and while they are drying, I made a YouTube short about my DIY front facing intake manifold, but here are all the fasteners and handbrake parts finished, ready for zinc treatment and yellow passivization. So hopefully I can do that next time. So here we have them ready to be packaged for transportation. So let's continue at home. Here we have the screws on the frying pan, ready to go into the oven, but we are currently but making food. So it will need to cool down a bit before I can put this in the oven. I think previously I've used too much heat and that dries it too quickly, so the surface, the yellowness is more damaged. So the lower temperature that I did last time for the entire night is better, I guess. So stay tuned for the next episode so you can see the result of this. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.